Okay, this video is all about how to position your elbow to maximise speed. Super important part of bodyboarding to increase your rail control and manage that speed as you trim down the line on your boogie. The biggest rookie error that we see at Bodyboard Holidays is the elbow crime. So many waves ruined, so many barrels that are destroyed. In a nutshell, it's the incorrect positioning of a rider's elbow which can completely ruin the ride. The difference of 1 to 2 inches can have a huge effect on whether a ride is epic or an epic fail. So that position needs to be bang in the right place. There is nothing more painful than a rider scoring a perfect wave, particularly if that wave is beginning to tube and then blowing it with a bad elbow position. A bad elbow position will break the water flow, slow you down, create an explosion of white water which will often directly explode into your eyes and make you blind, and in the worst case it could cause you to slide out, meaning the lip will hit you in the head, giving you a bit of what we call a side parting, so you'll totally miss the barrel. Getting the elbow position correct is so important. Your inside elbow dictates how much your rail edge engages with the wave face. This in turn determines how much control you have. You need to draw a clean line in order to maximise speed, minimise water disruption, and in turn fly down the line, maximising your speed and gaining inertia as you go. The claw grip is something that we have covered in another video. You can see the link right here. Click on it, check out what the claw grip's all about, because it goes hand in hand with the elbow position. But the claw grip, coupled with correct elbow positioning, will allow you to dig your elbow into the deck of the board. By digging your elbow in, it will flex the board into the shape of the wave's face, which will help you with hold and avoid you sliding out. It will also flex your board out of its normal shape. By flexing it out of its normal shape, the board will try to recoil back into its original shape, which will cause projection and in turn speed down the line of the wave. So it's a really important factor of getting that maximum down the line speed. As well as drawing a nice clean line across the face, you'll just end up changing your bodyboarding from the way that you do it normally to this new technique, which is a game changer. That's why riders who are doing it right will have elbow creases in the deck of their board. When your elbow is planted in the correct place, you then need to lean into the wave face without actually touching the water. So lean right towards the wave face, but don't touch that wave face and don't disrupt that water flow. If your shoulder touches the water, it will be like stamping the brakes on, and yet again there will be another crazy white water explosion in your face. Many riders find that well-positioned contours on the deck of their board can help to initially get your elbow position correctly. So it's a top tip to think about when you're buying your next board. Check out the Go Faster on a Bodyboard video for more tips that will help with this. Check out the link right here.
If you would like more tutorials, interviews or product reviews, just hit the like and subscribe button. And for more information on our UK and international coaching weekends, retreats, holidays and Outdoor Instructor Academy, visit our website at www.bodyboard-holidays.com, and we look forward to getting barreled with you soon.